everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Just in case you're clicking on this video for the very first time, you're welcome. It's Macari's Cakes here. So in this video guys, I'll be sharing with you all how to make this yummy cake slice here on my channel, because I got to understand that most of you all requested for this video. So anyway, here it is, and I want you all to engage on this video. So please sit down, relax and enjoy this video if it's something you're really interested to watch. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Do enjoy this video. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said before, a lot of you all requested for this cake slice video, and here it is. And the first thing to do for your cake slice is you bake a cake, right? It could be any type of flavor. It could be chocolate, red velvet or vanilla, right? So but for this particular video I am using chocolate cake. Okay, and for cake slice you need to understand that the layers has to be thin. So even if you're trying to bake your cake and probably each layer of the cake is probably like 2 to 3 inches high, for instance, make sure that you try to give it like cut the slice just like what I did here in this video. If it is 3 inches high, you can just divide it into 3. If it is 2 inches high, you can divide it into 2. So this particular cake was like I think 2 inches high. I had to divide the cake into 2, and it gave me like 6 layers because I baked 3 layers of cake. So by the time you times 2 by 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so I hope you guys understand that particular explanation. So this is me here trying to arrange the cake. Okay, make sure that your cake is actually really moist. You could tell from my own chocolate cake here, you can see how moist it is. And yeah, that's it. So if you've watched one of my other video that I did 3 years ago on how to use acetate sheets for your cake, you guys will definitely understand this one. So whenever I want to do my cake slice, I always try to use this method because I feel like it's actually really easier for me. Okay, I think some bakers actually use pan. There are some pans that that don't have bottom underneath the pan, like the pan is more like exposed. If I should get the pan now, I'll definitely just put it by the side of this video so that you guys can get to see what I'm talking about. But I don't have that pan. I had to use acetate sheets for my cake slice you get. So you can use that pan I'm talking about, or you can use acetate sheet. So if you could tell from the video, I used my cake actually thin layers. That's how your cake slice should be. Your cake slice doesn't have to be thick in layers. It has to be slim, so that your customers can enjoy the moistness of the cake you get. So here I'm using a chocolate frosting as my cream, of course, and I also used what they call it again, I used caramel sauce. You can as well use chocolate ganache as your filling, right? You can also use the white whipped cream as your filling, but for here I use the chocolate frosting, and I also use caramel sauce. I think I've taught you guys on this channel how to make caramel sauce. Maybe I'll just have to put the video towards the end of this video, or I might just have to link it up here so that you guys can get to watch the video. But I don't think I've shared a video on how I normally make my chocolate frosting. But please, if you're really interested to learn how I make my chocolate frosting, let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely make a tutorial video about that. So this is me here again trying to layer my cakes. Like I said before, make sure that your cakes are thin in layers. It's very important. Yeah, that's it. So cake slice is a very amazing thing for you to start as a business. It sells very well, just like cake Parfait. So if you're the type of baker that don't get jobs often, make sure that you start cake slice. It's a business that can fetch you income on a daily basis, especially if your cakes are delicious, moist and fantastic. Trust me guys, cake slice is a way of bringing customers to your business. So I think I'm done here. Actually, I'm just trying to apply some cream, just make the cake so yummy. You can see how it is, guys. You can see how yummy this cake is. Chocolate cake is one of my best flavor with caramel. I want to also advise you that whenever you're doing your chocolate cake slice, please try and infuse caramel into it, and also infuse chocolate ganache, because of course it's chocolate cake now, so everything has to be what chocolatey, right? So that's it, guys. Please, if you have watched this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, what's stopping you from subscribing? If you're getting value here on this video, just click on the subscribe button right away. Click on it, guys. Give this video a massive thumbs up. There's a bell close to the subscribe button. Turn it on so that whenever I upload a video, you can always get notified, whenever I upload a video here on this channel. Okay, so back to what I was saying, guys. So that's the cake slice. You can see how yummy it is. The cream is delicious. You can see that chocolate effect, on in between my cake layers. You can imagine when I cut this cake, you're gonna see how lush, delicious. Like, guys, this my chocolate cake is so moist. Again, if you want the recipe, just you guys should just let me know. Meanwhile, I think there's a recipe I did post on my channel. You can just check out my channel and then get the recipe. Okay, so I'm applying my chocolate syrup on the cake just to make the top more yummy, delicious, just like what you're watching right now on this video. Just more like a physic or something or thereabout here. So that's it, guys. That's it. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and please, if you're enjoying it, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Okay, so guys, I'm done right away, and it's time to put this cake into the freezer. Please make sure that the cake has to be in the freezer for at least 10 to 12 hours. It's very important, because if not, when you're trying to cut the cake, it's going to be smearing. So 10 to 12 hours is actually perfect. If it's possible for you to leave it for 24 hours, it's fine, no problem. But the thing is that, so that when you're trying to cut the cake, it will not be shifting here and there, you get. So the cake is out from the freezer right now, and you can see how it is. Okay, you guys see, so yummy, so delicious, so fantastic. Like, just check out, guys, just check out the top of the cake, the side of the cake, the under, like, just check out. Can your cakes ever guys, bakers, can your chocolate cake ever, can it ever? So it's time to cut into slices, right? I'm going to cut into 4 parts. Now, this is the interesting part about cake slice. From this picture here, I tried to put this picture here so you guys can understand how to achieve the slice. For instance, now this cake is a 7 inches cake, right? And I cut it into 4 or 3. From the picture here, is into 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6. So please just watch that picture, so that if possible you can even pause the video to understand the picture very well, and see how you can cut your cake slice, right? So that's it, guys. See how yummy this cake is. Just check out the caramel, the infused caramel, the layers, the cream, everything is so intact, right? So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment and I'll definitely answer you. And do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share it. Let me know your thoughts, like, tell me what you think about this video if you enjoyed it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.